Alright, I finally found a PS4. These things have been out of stock for so long, since probably like February. So yeah, I'm gonna be unboxing it. So this has never been opened. I just picked this up from Best Buy. So I'm just gonna open the seal. So I've had the PS4 2014. In 2014, like the original one, and the PS4 Pro in 2017. But now I'm getting a PS4 Slim because the PS4 Pro broke, so I took it to Best Buy. This is in December, and they decided that they were just going to give me a refund for it in the form of a gift card. So I ended up getting a Samsung Galaxy S10e for that. Let's unbox this. So this reminds me of PS4 Pro packaging. I can't remember what the original PS4's package was, mainly because that was almost 6 years ago. Alright, so we've got the DualShock, Sony HDMI cable, and a headset. This is something that that Xbox doesn't give. And I guess this is good, but then it allows the little kids to go online and scream and voice chat for no reason. So this is the controller charger, because this controller is a DualShock 4 rechargeable. We have the PS4's power adapter, and now we're gonna take the PS4 out. Alright, so it looks like we've got some little things on it. And here it is. So this is a lot smaller than I expected it to be. Actually looks a fair bit smaller than the PS4 Pro. So 2 USB ports on the front, our disc tray, and power on and eject. On the side we have a hard drive bay, FCC or whatever. On the back we have our power thing. PlayStation camera, I think that's for HDMI, gigabit Ethernet, I believe. Looks like there's a screw under that. Little Sony logo, and what looks to be, I don't know, maybe a maintenance port. I don't know what that is. So, yeah. Anything else inside? Oh, one more thing inside. A user guide, quick start guide, nothing else inside. So, yeah, let's just take out a couple things. We've got the headset, which I might actually just be using because I don't have another headset. Or micro USB cable. Actually, quite good quality micro USB cable. I think I still have the one from my original PS4. What is this? HDMI cable. And lastly, our DualShock 4, which I've been needing a new one of those because I used one with the PC also. So yeah, I'm gonna set this up, and I might get back to you for a review, I might not. You might have saw some videos on this in 2017 if I ever posted any on the PS4 Pro, I don't know. But yeah, thanks for watching, and goodbye.